Most people get this wrong when trying to withdraw money from FunTv. They spend time earning money or rewards in the app, finally reach the payout stage, and then get confused when the withdrawal option is missing, or the payment stays pending. Here's the truth no one tells you. Withdrawing from FunTv is usually simple, but only if you know the exact process and avoid the common mistakes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw from FunTv step by step, how long it takes, the common issues users face, and the fastest way to get your money. So let's get straight into it. If you're new to FunTv, here's a quick explanation. FunTv may be an entertainment app, rewards platform, task app, or earning app where users can make money through watching videos, referrals, tasks, or other in-app activities. Once you earn enough, the next step is cashing out. But here's the problem. Not every balance shown inside the app may be withdrawable. And this is where most people fail. Some apps separate balances into categories. For example, available balance, pending balance, bonus balance, referral balance, locked rewards. Only certain balances may be available for withdrawal. For example, Alex sees $100 in the app, but $70 is still pending. Only $30 is available to cash out. Jake checks carefully and understands it right away. So step 1 is simple. Open the FunTv app and check your available balance. Now, step 2. Find the withdrawal section. This may be called withdraw, cash out, wallet, redeem, or payout. Depending on the app layout, it may be inside your profile, wallet, or dashboard. Tap it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users can't find the withdrawal option because their account isn't verified. Many apps require verification before withdrawals. This may include email verification, phone verification, identity verification, or linking a payment method. For example, John tries to withdraw, but the button is disabled. He verifies his account. Then, the option appears. Simple fixed IO. Very common issue. Now once you're in the withdrawal section, you'll usually see available withdrawal methods. This depends on the app and region. Common options may include PayPal, bank transfer, UPI, gift cards, crypto wallet, or another local payment option. Choose the one you prefer. But here's the problem. Each payment method may have different fees, limits, and processing times. For example, UPI may be fast in India. PayPal may process within hours. Bank transfer may take longer. Crypto may involve network fees. So, choose wisely. Now, let's go step by step. Step 1. Open FunTv. Step 2. Check available balance. Step 3. Go to withdraw or wallet. Step 4. Choose payment method. Step 5. Enter the withdrawal amount. Step 6. Enter your payment details. Step 7. And confirm the request. That's it. Your withdrawal request is submitted. Now here's where most people fail. They enter incorrect payment details. Wrong PayPal email. Wrong bank account number. Wrong UPI. That can delay or fail your payment. For example, Alex enters the wrong email. His payment fails. Jake double-checks and gets paid. Small mistakes matter. Now in a minute, I'll show you what to do if your withdrawal stays pending. Because this happens often. Before that, let's talk about withdrawal limits. Many apps have minimum withdrawal thresholds. For example, $5, $10, $20, or another amount. Some also have daily or weekly withdrawal limits. If your balance is below the minimum, you won't be able to cash out. This is where most people fail. They try too early. Always check the rules first. Now, let's talk about processing times. This depends on the method. PayPal may be within hours. UPI may be same day. Bank transfer may take 1 to 5 business days. Gift cards may arrive by email. Crypto may vary depending on network traffic. If your payment says pending, don't panic immediately. Pending often means it's being processed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some withdrawals are manually reviewed, especially large withdrawals or accounts with unusual activity. This can create delays. For example, John withdraws $5 and gets paid quickly. Later, he requests $200. The app reviews it manually. That takes longer. So larger withdrawals may mean more waiting. Now let's talk about pending withdrawals. If your payment is pending too long, check your email. Check spam or junk folder. Look for verification requests. Review your payment details. Check the app support page. Contact support if needed. A lot of users think the app is broken when they simply missed an email. This is where most people fail. They wait without checking. Now let's cover common problems. Problem number 1. Withdrawal button missing. Solution: verify your account. Problem number 2. Withdrawal pending. Solution: wait and check email. Problem number 3. Withdrawal failed. Solution: double check payment details. Problem number 4. Minimum amount not reached. Solution: earn more first. Problem number 5. Account flagged. Solution: contact support and verify identity. Now here's the easiest way to avoid delays. Use real information. Verify your account early. Choose fast payment methods. Check email regularly. And withdraw small amounts first. Simple. Now let's talk about fees. Some apps charge withdrawal fees. This may be flat fees, percentage fees, or network fees. Always check before confirming. For example, Alex withdraws $10 and pays a $2 fee. Jake waits until he has $50 and pays the same fee. Jake keeps more money. Timing matters. Now here's where it gets interesting. Should you withdraw small or large amounts? A small test withdrawal is smart. It confirms the app is paying. Then you can withdraw larger amounts later. For example, Jake tests with $5. It works. Then he withdraws more later. Smart move. Now let's answer a common question. Is FunTv Withdrawal legit? That depends on whether the app is actually paying users. If users are receiving payments consistently, it may be legitimate. If there are many complaints about non-payment or delays, be cautious. Always test first. And never rely on one app for income. That's the smart approach. Now here's the easiest withdrawal routine. Earn money. Check available balance. Verify account. Choose payment method. Submit a small test withdrawal. Confirm it works. Then scale up later. Simple, and effective. Now let's quickly recap. Open FunTv. Check available balance. Go to withdraw section. Choose payment method. Enter amount. Enter correct details. Confirm request. Wait for processing. Check email. Contact support if needed. That's the full process. Simple once you know the steps. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all your balance is instantly withdrawable. Check pending rewards. Check limits. Check verification. That saves time. Now you know exactly how to withdraw from FunTv. No confusion. No wasted time. No common mistakes. Just the exact process. If this video helped you withdraw from FunTv, hit the like button. Comment below, and let me know which payment method worked for you, or if your payment is still pending. And if you want more withdrawal guides, app tutorials, and online earning videos, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.